That is one beautiful diamond python. It's not a diamond. What is that? Looks like a carpet snake. Beautiful, big long one. Probably about 6-7 feet. I'm so glad he got across this road. He had to cross that. Off he goes. Go on. Keep going, you. I saw it on the side of the road and thought it might have been injured or dead, so I turned around. Came straight back. Kind of shoot it off the road. It's a constrictor, of course you can see it's a python. They're not venomous, so I was gonna, if I had to, I was gonna pick him up and move him off the road to safety. Come on. Move, you. I'm trying to scare him off the road, off a bit further. But anyway, isn't that beautiful? My God. What a creature, hey?